Hi there, this is Mar Haddad here again. So we have finished from the router, from the switch, we have the internet, and we've seen also that the Unifi access point has received an IP address, and that's very good. Now, what we need to do in this lab is just to discover this Unifi access point. So, for example, you have many access points that are connected to the switch, and we want to discover them. Now, we can see that from the MikroTik router. We have seen that an IP has been leased. But in case you are not using a MikroTik router and you don't have access to the router to know what is the IP address of the access point, for example, or so to have the information over there. So what you can do is to use a tool which is provided from Ubiquiti, which is called Ubiquiti Device Discovery Tool. And this one you can download it from their website, and it is also on Google Chrome, on the store of Google Chrome. So you need to use the Google Chrome browser in order to be able to discover the Unifi access point on this tool. So as you can see, we have a lab of 4 points. But first, let me just show you very shortly on the lab scenario what we need to do. So now everything is good, and this access point is now getting an IP address. Now, as I said, in case we are not using the MikroTik router or we don't have access to the router, and we need to discover this access point. So on this PC, because we are again here on layer 2, right? So on this PC, we can install the Ubiquiti Device Discovery Tool. And from here, once we download it and install it, then directly we can see the access point has been discovered over there. Okay, so that's what we need to do for this lab, just to download it, install it, and see if it can be discovered. So let's go now back to the points and start doing them. Point number 1, go to Google Chrome and search for Ubiquiti Device Discovery Tool. All right, let me put the picture here, and let's go to the Google Chrome. So you need to use Google Chrome, and from here we go to search over here, and we say Ubiquiti Discovery Tool. And then once you go there, you see this one on the Ubiquiti website. Oh, you can go to it. So click on it. And now we can look here for the tools. So it should be showing up over here somewhere. So this is software. And we need to see this one, Ubiquiti Device Discovery Tool. And you can see it's Chrome application. All right. So we just click on download. And once you click on download, it goes to Chrome Web Store, and then it says to add it to Chrome. I will say here yes. So add to Chrome, and then I will say add app. And in a moment we should have it, and here we go. So you can see I have it now as an app on the Chrome. Point number 1 is done, and of course point number 2 we downloaded, and it's already now on Google Chrome. Point number 3, we have to open the tool, and does it discover Unifi access point? So let's go to Chrome again, and now we click on it. So just click on it, and let's move this one because it should be shown over here. So yeah, so I just make here a scan. We should be able to see the access point. So here we go. You see, it's over there, Unifi APAC Lite, and it's showing me here the IP address, the MAC address of this Unifi access point, and it's saying here action. Okay, so if you click on action, nothing will happen now. So it has just discovered for you the access point. All right, point number 3 is done. Point number 4, try to connect to the Unifi access point via the IP address. Can you connect to it? So if we go back here to this one, we see that the IP address is 10.30.30.254. For my computer, if I ping to 10.30.30.254, I should be able to reach it because we are on the same layer 2. Okay, so I'm able to reach it. So let's say, okay, open the browser and try to connect to it. So I will say here 10.30.30.254. Then I will say enter. And let's have a look. You can see that you cannot connect to the access point. Actually, Unifi access points, they don't have a web interface. So you cannot configure the Unifi access point by just going to the web interface to the IP address and then to do the configuration. So that's not the solution provided by Ubiquiti. Okay, like MikroTik, for example, if you want to configure the access point, you just go to the IP of the MikroTik access point and then yeah, you can do the configuration of the access point. But for Ubiquiti, it's different. You cannot just go to the IP and do the configuration. That's why you need to have a controller. So you need to adopt this UniFi access port to a controller from Ubiquiti, and then from there you have to do the configuration. And that's something I'm going to discuss it in the upcoming section when I'm going to speak about the UniFi controller. Point number 4 is done, and with this point I have also showed you about a nice tool which is provided from Ubiquiti, which is the Ubiquiti Device Discovery tool. So with this tool you can discover the Ubiquiti devices that you have on your network. And I have also showed you that you cannot just connect to the IP address of the access point to be able to configure it, because it's not possible. But we need to configure it. We need to make the wireless configuration. We need to put the SSID. We need to put the password. We need to do all of those things. So the question is how to do that. Well, we have to see that in the upcoming lecture. And that's when we are going to speak about the controller, because this access point needs to be adopted in a controller to be able to configure it. So this is what I wanted to show you in this lecture. I hope that this lecture was informative for you, and I will see you in the upcoming lecture.